and welcome to Sanskriti Kolkata YouTube episode number 177. Myself Lalia Dattagupta, and I will be showing you beautiful linen Banarasis, Jamewars and Matka Banarasis, and all will be very economical range, budget friendly, pocket friendly sarees. So keep watching till the end. Product number 1. Wedding season is here and we need lot of sarees for gifting where we try to avoid the black in it. So something like that, keeping in mind. So see, this is a lovely linen Banarasi. Now what is linen Banarasi? See, these are the designs that I usually weave in pure silk dupion. So that more or less that kind of oi odole, that pattern that has been woven in cotton linen. See, these are beautiful, just gives a look of a lovely Banarasi, very comfortable, skin friendly and economical range. Looks very pretty because these are also in antique zari, and these look very pretty on wedding because this too has a beautiful brocade woven blouse piece, and the price is so reasonable. Just see the look, the get up. And you know, after a long time I've been doing this because these throughout the year in our store you will get these kind of stock. The weaves and the designs keep changing, but linen Banarasi we've been selling for many years and it's so much in demand because of the comfortness, the availability, the comfortness, the affordability also, and of course the look. 3850, product number 1. Product number 2. This is a tomato red, reddish tone with orange color. Just for you to understand that all these linen Banarasis have a texture woven in stripe. This is not print. This self stripe is woven also. Each booty is woven in antique zari. The border is in rust with antique zari woven border. This is the tasseled pallu. Extremely comfortable. The back part is also very well finished, well cut. And see the look. We definitely, you know, there are a lot of like we need to gift our loved ones for their birthdays, anniversaries, weddings, and anything. When you remember somebody, want to send somebody something with love and you have a budget, then you can definitely opt for this sarees because anybody will love these sarees because these are, as I said, these are extremely comfortable and look wise they are very gorgeous. It has a very gorgeous traditional look. Product number 2. Paisley woven border throughout, buta throughout, very unusual weave. And now see this color, it's in a military green color, bottle green, kind of a military green color with, see, every weave is different. This has bold big butas, antique zari with Meena Petni woven border. See, it has a Petni look woven antique zari border, and this color along with this border is so gorgeous and rich. Of course, it has a brocade woven blouse piece, which is also an added, plus point, for this range that I'm giving. See the gorgeousness and the richness of a blouse, and this kind of blouse will go with any of your rich gorgeous silk sarees also. So this is the blouse piece with this, but again you can wear it with something like I'm wearing a red raw silk blouse. This also goes with a lot of sarees. This will also look nice with a rani or a red, but even of course this blouse piece will look very classy, especially because of the woven border. See, it's a beautiful woven border. Those who have been following my programs, I love showing Meena borders in dupions. So somewhat the designs are same, but tried to do it in these cotton range sarees, but all woven in Banaras. Very comfortable. Now another very nice color. This is a dark beige color. It has a red piping border. See, so since this color is earthy tone, the Meena woven border along with this red piping border is giving it the look of the saree. Throughout the bold buttas, here comes the pallu. 3850, so say within 4,000. So these will be uploaded in Facebook page Sanskriti Kolkata, album sarees within 4,000, and also in the album Weaves and Looms, so you can check out the still pictures. And here comes the rich gorgeous blouse piece, and you can imagine how gorgeous it will look when you wear it with this blouse. Ideal for gifting mothers, mother-in-laws, and anybody who wants lightweight comfortable sarees. The color is absolutely stunning color, very unusual color. Now coming to a very nice green shade, leaf green. Big buttas, as I said, woven border, Meena one side border, and throughout it will be going like this with blouse piece again in contrast red brocade. Just give a lining in the blouse and it will look very, very pretty, long lasting sarees. Even this color is very pretty, leaf green with red color combination, and all, as I said, very reasonably priced. So first come first serve basis. We have two branches in Kolkata, 2C Cornfield Road, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19, and the other one is 12 Jamir Lane, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19. We are a 26-year-old running fashion house in Kolkata, and we have Monday to Saturday we are open every day, 10 o'clock in the morning to 8 p.m. at night. Sunday we remain closed. Cash on delivery possible only in Kolkata. Outside Kolkata via courier, you can Paytm, you can also, best is to give it in the business account. Once the product is confirmed, I'll give you the business account number where along with the shipping charge you can make the transfer. Send the screenshot of the payment where you after you transfer, and your name, address, phone number, shipping address, phone number in one format. Once it is done, completed, your order is confirmed, it will be shipped in 1 or 2 working days. Another very, very beautiful color of off-white and red, Agamoni collection, product number 63850. Just see the stunning color combination again with a red brocade blouse, and this off-white with antique zari is an absolute beauty, and especially because of the Rani and red Meena border. See the Meena border once again closely. $3850 for this. So I am showing you many pretty colors in this. Now the first one was similar to this color, but that was a darker shade. But since I have another very pretty shade of this chiku color, so that was a fudge color, then an off-white was also there, and this is a chiku color. So 3 different color, don't mix up, all the numbers are mentioned, the colors are mentioned. Just take the screenshot of the product and WhatsApp to any one of the number. This is more of goldenish, that was more of a brownish. So there is a lot of difference. You can see the video and select the color combination, because all are very, very rich, and as I said, ideal for gifting also. During the wedding, we do give the তত্ত্বের ডালা আমাদের বানাতে হয়, তখন প্রচুর লোককে আমাদের গিফট করতে হয়, তখন এই ধরনের শাড়ি, কালো ছাড়া woven শাড়ি 3850 ট্রেডিশনাল, সব মাসিদের বা মামিদের দিতে হলে, বোনেদের দিতে হলে খুব সুবিধা হয় এরকম বাজেট ফ্রেন্ডলি শাড়ি। সুতরাং যারা যারা ওয়েট করছিলেন তত্ত্বের কেনাকাটা করবেন তারা এখন আসতে পারেন। এখন কিন্তু এই রেঞ্জের স্টকটা কিন্তু দুটো ব্রাঞ্চেই প্রচুর অ্যাভেলেবেল আছে। সুতরাং আপনারা চলে আসুন, আরো ভ্যারাইটি দেখে নিতে পারেন। এই প্রোডাক্টগুলো পেতে হলে কিন্তু আপনাদের প্রায় বুকিং করতে হবে, আমাদের তো লিমিটেড কালেকশন। ধরুন এইটা আমার কাছে কিছু কিছু করে আছে, অনেক ভ্যারাইটি আরও পাবেন, কিন্তু পার্টিকুলার এক্স্যাক্টলি সেম কালার, সেম বর্ডার, সেম বুটা, prior booking needed. 3850 for this lovely magenta two tone. একদম মানে দেখুন টু টোন যেটা আমরা সিল্কের মধ্যে পাই, টু টোন কালার কম্বিনেশন উইথ আ পার্পল বর্ডার, ভীষণ সুন্দর অল ওভার গোল্ড জারি, পুরোটা এরকম বুটিটা এন্ড অবধি যাবে। এবং আমি প্রত্যেকটা এরকম বেনারসির মধ্যে, লিনেন বেনারসির মধ্যে আই ট্রাই টু গিভ দিস কাইন্ড অফ আ contrast brocade woven blouse. So with this blouse, because it's very difficult to match this color, so I always try to give a lovely brocade blouse with this along with the woven border. So this really looks very pretty on the with this particular sari. So and I've seen Sanskriti Srimoti, I've seen you sending me pictures with this blouse stitched, and it really looks lovely with closed neck or boat neck. Any pattern would look nice in this blouse, even in a sleeveless blouse it would look nice, but preferably traditional saris it's best to make it with at least a cap sleeve. Another that was a bit more mustard kind of a color with paisley buta. This is same combination, little yellowish, little golden yellow. Buta is comparatively smaller and the border is also different. Product number 9, the price remains the same. Please do take a minute to like, share and subscribe, those who have not done yet, so that you can get regular notifications of the product that will be coming. There is the Insta page and the Facebook page, Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page. Both the links are already provided. If you like the page, you will be able to check out the regular updates, the notifications, the offers, and whatever announcement that is being done, you can obviously get to know what will be the next episode. Everything will be mentioned there. Also the still pictures. There is the album there, photo albums, where there's Tassar album, there's the Kalamkari album, Ajrak album, Linen Banarasi album. There's all given in the album. Silk Root album for Kathan silks, Katha album, exclusive Katha Noksha and reverse Katha. So all these you can have a look, but kindly select from the recent uploads. The dates and prices are mentioned. The episode number is also mentioned. So in case you need to know more details or details of the product, you can go through the YouTube video just to have a look at about the details of the product uploaded. This is a very nice unusual two-tone color, and especially because of this rich magenta border. See, it just looks like a pure tussar silk. So rich and gorgeous, so comfortable, skin friendly, with this beautiful paisley border, broad border in one side and a sleeker border in the upper part. The color is absolutely stunning color. Only 2990, 2990 rupees, product number 10. This is a very pretty sari range wise, and here is the blouse piece. I'm showing the opposite side. All the blouses will have this border actually, both side border. So this is the blouse piece. Very pretty looking, gorgeous, and in this range particularly. Very unusual combination. Number 11. Again the design changes. Coral color with pink petni Meena border. Just sort of a petni, but it's not obviously actually petni. It's a zari woven border. But the look is, you know, like the Meena Buttas in the Petni border. So it's somewhat like that. all over rich, and see the buttas also is so close by. 3650, 3650 for this, and even it has such pretty woven paisley pallu with this. This too will have a contrast brocade blouse piece. Here is the blouse piece for this. Extremely soft saree, extremely soft. Another color, emerald green with fuchsia. All over again butta. We have the tailoring unit. If you want the blouses to be stitched, we can connect you to the tailoring department after the payment is done. We'll do the stitching, the measurements will be kept, and then we can ship it together once it's done. You can keep selecting to reduce the costing charge for international shipments. The shipment depends on weight and destination. The price of the shipping charges depends on weight and destination. Very pretty color combination. Gorgeous colors, and see from the beginning till the end, till what I'm showing now, none of them has any touch of black. So it's good if you want to avoid black, especially for the wedding gifts. 3850, pink red color combination. Dollar butta all over woven. With red brocade blouse piece. This is the blouse piece for this. Very pretty color. Now coming to Meena buttas. All the while I was showing you Meena borders. Now coming to Meena buttas, somewhat like what I'm wearing. I'll show you more colors in this. Very comfortable, sleek border. Those had one side broader border. These have all over bold Meena buttas in red and pink with very smart, narrow, sleek border. Product number 143990. I have very good shades in this also, and all the shades, this Meena buttas will really stand out and look very, very gorgeous. And see the blouse piece for this also. This has also a very smart brocade all over blouse piece. So with this you can make a close neck button blouse also. With a collar also it will look very nice. So I'll show you the colors in this. I have a green, $3990, pallu. Product number 15. Okay, now many of you ask me about maintenance. Normal maintenance, wear 3-4 times, just hang it or fold it and keep it, then polish once. Then again wear 3-4 times, give for dry clean. So that's it, normal maintenance. These doesn't crease much. If it does little bit when you're sitting and when you're tucking, just do a little ironing at home. That's it. Beautiful color. Even if you wash at home these sarees, as such nothing will happen if you wash with liquid detergent, but what happens, the glaze goes away. So it's best to give for polish sometimes and sometimes for dry cleaning, because the water is not same everywhere actually. This is another beautiful shade. And here is the blouse piece for this. Nice, na? Nice colors. And even the slate one that I am wearing, this color is also very pretty color. Slate with these Meena buttas all over. This is the pallu part, and of course it will have this blouse piece. Same price. The neck piece that I am wearing along with this cute polki setting earring is 2200. These are all very good quality stones with polki setting along with a pearl and pearl. There is tassels there, rings there, so you can wear it closely or you can increase the length also. But this length is a standard length, it looks nice with sarees and all, doesn't go down much. It's a very cute neck piece. We have colors in this. This is a red one that I am wearing. 2200 is for the neck piece with the earring set. And this pair of bangles, slate color, again with polki setting. These are premium custom made slate color pair of bangles. Can you see the beautiful shimmer along with this polki stone setting in front and back? 995 is the pair. The pair of bangles is 995 rupees, and it's not black, it's slate color. This color matches with the sari. Slate color bangle pair, 995 rupees pair. Now I have a black. This color of the bangle also is going very well with this black. In all angles I am trying to show the weave so that you can understand how well the fall of the product is, the zari weaving, how well the woven part is. See the lovely woven border, copper zari woven border along with this charcoal black color with a self woven stripe all over Meena butta. Beautiful prominent sari, bold and beautiful sari, traditional look, and especially the color combinations. Here comes the blouse piece with this. Another very nice beige color, deep beige color, biscuit color. So one I showed you a tussar color. This is a greyish tone, a darker tone. All the tones are different, very much different. So take the screenshot of the product. And one thing, what you are missing out is when you are taking the screenshot, maybe the other names or something is coming there, but not the number. The number is very important of the product code number. Just take the screenshot when the code number comes. You know, there's a, like this will come around linen ben, the short form of linen Banarasi, you know, just we'll understand. Just take the screenshot of the product where the number of the product is mentioned. This is the blouse piece for this. It's a very pretty color combination, and because of the sleek narrow border, it's very comfortable also. This is a bit more gorgeous. Here is the woven border, woven pallu, woven buta in magenta. See the color combination along with blue. Indigo and magenta gold woven buta, and the price of this is 3850. So none of these have exceeded 4,000 range. The maximum was 3,990 rupees. This is 3850 along with this red brocade woven rich blouse piece. And see, this is such a pretty looking gorgeous sari. Very nice weave, very nice weave. The buta is also very new all over, and see, so close by till the end. Till the end you are getting the same equal butas throughout. Now shifting to Jamewars. These are blended fabrics, Chanderi Banarasi blended, but now saying that I have used the term blended, it's very comfortable, number one. Even in blended art silks there are many qualities. This is a very soft, lightweight Chanderi with all over zari woven border. There's tissue weaving all over. You see the softness, soft, rich, gorgeous, such reasonable range, and see there's all over a beautiful Aztec print done all over it in Ghatchola box design, paisley, very traditional with paisley Rani color border and pallu with tassels, and price 4350 only. 4350, stunning, gorgeous, gold and Rani all over woven. Now I also show you the back side so that you can be confident of what would be the back side. I'll show you. This is the blouse piece, again all over brocade and very soft, fine quality. This is the whole sari. Just see the richness of the sari. Now here comes the back side. You won't even understand that the sari is fully gold woven. Can you see how well the finish is? Whatever you're seeing in the front, it's almost same at the back. I'll show you the colors. That was Rani color. This is turquoise, sea green you can say, very pretty color. Can you see the lovely sheen? Gorgeous sari, gorgeous. You know, sometimes we try to avoid too much of gold in the body and all, it seems too loud, but this is so subtle. Why? Because of the print that has been done in it. This is the blouse piece. These look so nice in formal wear with gold jewelry. Really gorgeous, rich saris with tassels and all, complete beautiful saris, and soft, lightweight, and especially the colors, all gorgeous, rich colors. I'll show you in this pattern. This is more of an orange. After a long time, I've been able to weave this once again with totally new design, new color combination, new print and new concept. And the sarees I've made a bit more lighter than I used to make the previous ones. It will be very comfortable and very good quality. You will love this. See the look. Nobody nowadays wants to wear heavy sarees, which is so difficult to carry. Now, one more Matka Banarasi I have. Chanderi Banarasi Jamewar weave. This one. I have a few more colors in this. This is a beautiful pink color with a woven blouse again, and the price of this is 4350 paisley, and this has all over zari weave along with the buttas also. I better open the bangle one. Okay. You can see the design. Sometimes you can see the tissue effect, the gold effect. Very pretty color combination, rich 4350. This is what the mannequin is wearing, the Chanderi Jamewar tissue woven sari. Now what I'll be showing you is Matka Banarasi. These are matkas not from Bengal, from Banaras, again blended with gold, again keeping in mind the wedding season for gifting item and reasonable range sarees. So these are good options range wise, lightweight, Rani color, and price is 2990 only, 2990 rupees. This is the blouse piece. I'll show you all the colors available. All the colors are very pretty, and range wise again let me say you, these are good sarees, good options. These are not handloom products, these are Paloom products. Because of the range you can already understand, but these are good quality, I can tell you. Range wise these are good quality, comfortable also. Nice color. This is the blouse piece border. Navy. No orders for any of these, once sold cannot be recreated. All these are single piece, but we have stock now, so if you want to book you can book as soon as possible. This is the blouse piece. Sorry, that is not the blouse piece, this is the blouse piece. The whole sari will have buttas. Red, the first one was Rani, this is red. Rich all over butta. This is the blouse piece. Even the pallu is very gorgeous. Stunning black and gold, which we always love. blouse piece. These all the blouses will be plain solid color with the border, because the sari itself has so many bright lovely golden buttas. So these will be all plain solid color blouse pieces with the border. The last one, purple, new color, because it's the in color now. Lilac purple is very in now. 2990, the last piece. See the what I had my great grandmother wear this purple color, this purple shade for her reception. Now see, the old is again coming back. The combination, the styles, the patterns, these are all getting revived. So it's beautiful, this color. Here is the blouse piece. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching.